Good day, my name is Adam Allure and I'm the founder and CEO of Wavve Boating, and today I'm going to show you one of my most favorite features in Wavve, which is our depths feature. So this is how you can update your depths in real time to current water level conditions, so factoring in various tidal fluctuations or any sort of spring runoff, so you have the most accurate depth data on your map. So to do this, you're going to want to tap depths in the top right. And you'll see in this view the available water level stations around you. So you can pan around the map and do another search. So I can see more stations along the coast here. And generally, you're going to want to select the station that is closest to the area where you're going to be boating. There's also an auto select function, so it will automatically grab the closest station as you continue boating. But typically, if you're going out for the day, there'll be one station that's probably going to be the closest to you for that entirety of that trip. So I'm going to go ahead and select number 2 here, which is the Wellfleet water level station, and tap select. I'm now notified that my map depths are updated to the station's measurements. So you'll see right now this station is measuring 9 feet above chart datum. So therefore an additional 9 feet of depth is added to my map. So I can see, what does this look like in this area at high tide? What's it going to look like at low tide? I'm going to go back to current time. So this is good for planning purposes. Say I'm going to be heading into this bay around, well, maybe tomorrow morning, 5 a.m., 3 a.m. time. So I can see what these depths are going to look like at that time when I might be heading into that bay. I'm going to head back to now. Now, when I close this view, you'll see all my depths are updated and they're reflecting the current water level measurement. So as you continue to use wave boating, these will update automatically with you as you boat. The depths on your main map view will always be the current water level measurement. And if you want to look at future times, that's where you're going to go back to this feature, tap depths again, and you can play around here, high tide, low tide. Now, let's say you're in an area that doesn't have tidal fluctuation. So I'm going to head towards the Great Lakes. I'm going to change my station. And so I see a water level station here, Cape Vincent. I'm going to select that. And so this station isn't impacted by the tides, or isn't impacted as much because it is on a lake body of water. And I'll note that I have a 2.4 foot additional depth added to my maps. So this is, spring runoff that we get every year added to that. And so just for demonstration purposes, take a look at the depths that are currently on my map. I'm now going to remove that water level station and you will see the depths decrease. Clear selection. As you can see, those values are now less. I don't have that depth offset. That's pretty well it. You're just going to want to update to your closest water level station, set it, and it will update automatically. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team at community@waveboating.com and we'll be very happy to help you out. Have a great day out there. Thank you.